you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if you're seeing this message on Google Play Store. Critical security update is available for this app. As you can see guys in my screen, don't worry, here I am going to show you quick and easy solution to remove this Google Play Protect warning and update the app safely. So first, if you want to update the app, so just simply tap on update button. Okay, keep a stable Wi-Fi connection or strong mobile data connection. Once the update finish, open the app and the warning should be disappear from your screen. As you can see guys, if the app get stuck while updating, at that time you can try this method. Okay, so just simply open your phone settings, scroll down and find out apps. Like this, in the apps, scroll down and find out Google Play Store and open it. Okay, go to storage and simply clear the caches. Reopen your Google Play Store and try updating app, and after updating the app it will fix your problem. If still your problem was not solved, you can try the next method. Open Google Play Store. Once again, tap on your profile picture and here you can get the option Play Protect. Just tap on it and simply tap on scan option. After the scan, return to the app page and update the app if it possible. Okay, still your problem was not solved, you can try the next method. Make sure your Google Play services and Google Play Store are updated. In the Play Store, search for them and tap on update. Okay, as well you need to update your Google Play Store also. Open the Google Play Store setting, go to about section and here you can get the option update Play Store. Just tap on it, so it will update your Google Play Store. Okay, now still the problem was not solving. Now you need to free up your storage space of your phone. So just need to check your phone's internal storage. If the storage is not free, you need to free up some your internal storage and restart your phone. After restarting, open the Google Play Store and update your app. If the app is still not updating, at that time you need to uninstall that particular app from the Play Store and reinstall it once again. It will automatically install in the latest version. So that's it, your app is now secure and the warning is gone. If this helped you, like the video, share it with your friend and subscribe for more tech videos. Okay, thanks for watching.